Cleaning safely at home. We all clean at home, and cleaning is important for our health. It is also important to choose safe products to clean with. Many people use strong cleaning products like bleach to clean their homes during COVID-19 to make sure they could kill the germs and not get infected. But we learned that COVID-19 passes from one person to another through the air, not on surfaces like tables or kitchen counters. So, using strong products like disinfectants was not helpful. You only need to use strong products in your home in certain situations. Disinfectants kill germs on surfaces. Disinfectants can impact your health. Exposure to disinfectants can cause or worsen asthma, and some are linked with cancer. Usually cleaning surfaces using water and soap or a cleaner is all you need to do. Cleaning physically removes germs from surfaces. Some cleaning products can impact your health, so it is important to choose safer cleaning products to use in your home. Babies and children are more vulnerable to the impacts of toxic chemicals because their bodies are rapidly growing and developing. They breathe more air in proportion to their body weight than adults, and they touch and explore things around them with their hands and mouths. People who are pregnant are also more vulnerable to these health impacts. Often, air fresheners contain many harmful chemicals, and although they may smell good, they can make the air quality around you worse. Not all products you can buy have been fully evaluated for all possible health risks. At a store or online, look for the green seal, safer choice, or design for the environment logos. Products with these logos are third-party certified, meaning that a reliable, independent organization has confirmed that they work well and are made with safer ingredients. Some products have added chemicals to make them smell good. These are called fragrances. Choose products that are fragrance-free when possible. Look for disinfectants with safer active ingredients, including hydrogen peroxide, lactic acid, citric acid, and ethanol. Do not buy a product that has the words danger or warning on the container. Follow the directions on the label. When you follow the directions, you can be sure that you are using the product safely and that it will work effectively. Properly dispose of cleaning products when you have finished with them. Proper disposal prevents cleaning chemicals from ending up in our environment. If you can't use up household hazardous products, dispose of them at a solid waste management facility, instead of dumping them down the drain or tossing them in the trash. Empty containers can be recycled if they have been cleaned. And there are other ways to keep your house clean. Put mats at your doors. Mats that are at least 4 feet long are best. They will catch dirt that would otherwise come into your home. Use a vacuum cleaner with a special filter on it. It is called a HEPA filter. This traps dust and prevents it from going back into the air. To find more information and translated materials, go to this website.